Have you thought about what happens to your wealth after you're gone? Estate planning is the key to protecting your legacy. It ensures your wishes are honoured, your loved ones are cared for, and legal disputes are minimised. Estate planning involves preparing legal documents to manage your assets upon death or incapacity. This guide is crucial for your financial strategy. It allows you to direct your assets, minimise taxes, avoid family disputes, and protect vulnerable dependents. A will forms the foundation of your estate plan. Without it, state law decides who gets your assets. This might lead to unwanted delays and costs. Make sure your will includes vital elements. Nominate an executor, declare beneficiaries, and establish provisions for minors. Estate assets include everything under your name: property, bank savings, shares, and personal items. Non-estate assets, like jointly owned property or life insurance, require separate planning. It's critical to align all assets with your estate plan. When considering property ownership, understand the difference between joint tenancy and tenants in common. Joint tenancy means automatic transfer to the surviving owner, while tenants in common allows your share to pass through your will. Superannuation cannot be directly willed. Instead, create a binding nomination to control your benefits after death. Similarly, life insurance proceeds can go directly to your estate or appointed beneficiary. Coordinate these with your estate plan to ensure smooth distribution. Executors play a vital role in managing your estate. They pay debts and distribute inheritances according to your will. Choose someone trustworthy and prepare an executor's dossier with essential information. If you have children under 18, nominate a legal guardian in your will. This ensures their well-being in case of your absence. Powers of attorney allow you to designate someone to make decisions on your behalf while alive. Consider options like testamentary trusts, which start after your death. They can offer tax benefits and protection for vulnerable beneficiaries. If you die without a will, state laws will dictate asset distribution, often disregarding your wishes. Review your will regularly, every 3 to 5 years or after major life changes. And yes, include digital assets in your estate plan. Estate planning is essential for everyone, not just the wealthy. If you have dependents or property, you need a plan. At Hudson Financial Planning, we provide a comprehensive estate planning guide tailored to your needs. Our experts will help integrate it with your overall financial strategy for ultimate peace of mind. Ready to secure your legacy? Connect with a qualified advisor at Hudson Financial Planning today. Call us at 1800 804 296, email at helpdesk@hudsonfp.com.au, or visit us at 22 Mainview Street, Milton QLD 464. Take action now for your family's future.